So hello, everyone. My name is Hongyang. You can also call me Yuna. And today I present you our startup, no1s1 Lab. no1s1 represents the meaning that one that not owned by anyone but itself. So it's no1s1. And no1s1 Lab, we are an open initiative that built for the future of Web3 buildings, living, and hyperlocal communities. And a slight side note, I'm very excited to see Collectivo that was presenting. We are very think similarly, but no1s1 Lab sits more in the built environment and buildings context. So we believe that we are on the verge of a radical lifestyle transform. The planet has required us to consume, produce, act, live, eat, and drink with consciousness. And pandemic has warned us of the importance of agility, resiliency, and localization. And technical advancement of such as AI and machine learning has diminished the value of labor and create value in a parallel cyber world like our peer presented in the metaverse. And we believe at no1s1 Lab that more than a technical revolution, Web3 is an ideology and paradigm shift. And we believe that not only that it can transform economy, but potentially, fundamentally, Web3 is a movement that could solve the trilemma that embedded in every dystopia fiction movies or books, that similarly the prosperity of human, machine, and nature cannot happen at the same time. And we believe that Web3 has multiple tools and affordedness that can solve this trilemma and foster the symbiosis and multilism among human, machine, and nature through having digital autonomous governance and global network that's at the same time link the global network with hyperlocal communities. We also think that they helps us to rethink about incentives, digital ownership, creating scarcity, and having dynamic value representations. Not only that value is represented by monetary values, but also, for example, our times and other values that we could be represented with tokenization. So at no1s1 Lab, we want to make Web3 movement tangible. And through these 4 principles, first, we perceive nature as a sovereign and regenerative entity, and we engineer a living and interactive intelligent built environment. Also, we want to support hyperlocal community building, and we rooted in multi-currency system with regenerative finance. And we core principles is to assist the Web3 lifestyle transformation, one person at a time, one building at a time, and one community at a time. And how to achieve this? We break down our packages into 4 main topics. So at no1s1 Lab universe, we believe we want to do education that assists the Web3 lifestyle transformation for everyone. And all this transformation education will based on solid research that produced, slides are stuck. Can everyone see my slides?
Yes.
Is it at the no1s1 Lab universe page?
Digital autonomous governance slide.
Oh. Now?
It's the same. Maybe you want to turn off the, and you want to reshare your screen maybe?
Yeah, let me share again. Sorry. Share again. Is it good now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I hope everyone heard. We're stuck at this page, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so briefly, I say our principles again. These are our 4 principles. So we want to see nature as a sovereign and regenerative entity, and having the built environment, our buildings, as a living, interactive, intelligent built environment, and to connect hyperlocal community building. And also we rooted in multi-currency system and for regenerative finance. And here our mission, we want to assist the transformation, one person, one building, one community at a time. And this is our 4-component framework, which is education, research, engineering, and building toolings for helping local hyper communities, and also having living labs, which is radical experiments of buildings and spaces and building artifacts and do exhibitions to make Web3 movement more tangible. And for this, we already built the first self-owning house on the blockchain. It's a house that owned by no one but itself. And this has, we have to gain quite tremendous momentum with this prototype that has exhibited in World Economy Forum, Swiss Life Wincasa, we located in Switzerland. So all you see is a Swiss context that basically we were in every big newspaper in Switzerland. And here's our roadmap. We already built our prototype version 1, and we're still doing research. And we launched no1s1 labs as for now. And in next year, we hope to have a more complete prototype version 2, and also launch no1s1 lab universe in a more detailed version. And in 2 years, we want to have version 3 and launch our toolings. And based on these toolings, we want to host no1s1 space hackathons, which sparks space transformation based on based on Web3 movements and in different locations. We have a concise yet very powerful team. My co-founder with me is a doctor in civil engineer, Jens, and we have a professor in construction management, and also a successful serious entrepreneur in Switzerland, Malik. Thank you so much. That's it for my presentation, and looking forward to your questions.